I'm going to be showing you how to join Lone Cloud in Where Winds Meet. So here's the current situation on how to join Lone Cloud sect in Where Winds Meet, but with an important caveat. So Lone Cloud is currently not fully joinable yet. So right now in the global live version, Lone Cloud is visible in the sect list, but cannot be joined immediately like the early launch sects, which are Well of Heaven, Silver Needle, Midnight Blades, and many more. So many guides note that for now the game will show a message like Lone Cloud disciples are obsessed with calculations and so on the dialogue, but until the content becomes available in an update, that's what it'll say. But when it does unlock, so here's what you need to do. You just need to reach higher progression. Lone Cloud typically unlocks later in the game, so make sure you're all caught up. You just need to be in Kaifeng and find the Lone Cloud contact. Just be on your map here and you need to find Kaifeng. It's right here. You will also need to pass a logic or math test, and after that you just need to complete any follow-up initiation steps. So in all of these ways you can successfully join Lone Cloud Where Winds Meet once it becomes available. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.